Hello guys, welcome once again to my channel. How have you been? How's been your trading sessions? Hope you've been getting great value and hope you've been getting good success from trading, and I hope you've been getting great results from all the trading strategies I've been sharing on my platform and all the knowledge I've been sharing on indicators and some mistakes that you should avoid while trading. I really appreciate you guys because a lot of you have been giving feedbacks on what you think about my videos and your approach, the successes you have been getting, and I really appreciate them. Thank you so much for your comments. Thank you for trusting me to share this strategy with you and investing your time to learn. Like I used to say, it gives me great inspiration and also encouragement to do more. And I tell you, like I told you guys, I will keep bringing great strategies to you. I have quite a number of them, and as much as possible, please, I'll be bringing videos on understanding indicators from time to time, because the success, like I used to say, the success of traders, especially those who are very successful, is based on two main factors. Number one, their sound understanding on how to read the charts, and number two is their sound understanding on indicators. I'm telling you, if you have sound understanding, you will know why some settings are done the way they are, and then you will be able to achieve greater success even from trading. So if you're new, I welcome you once again. Try as much as possible to subscribe to this channel and turn on notification bell, so that once I upload a new video, you are alerted and then you can get benefit as soon as possible. You can join my Telegram channel. The link is in the description. And for those of you who have been coming again, thank you very much. I will be sharing with you today a unique strategy derived from using just combining indicators in a very simple way, and I want you guys to please follow, because I'll be explaining some very basic things. If you can get it, it will benefit you. I call this strategy the OTUZ strategy. The OTUZ strategy. OTUZ is a Turkish word for 30. And I'm going to explain to you why I named it the OTUZ strategy. For this strategy, if you can see on the chart, realize that I'm using Boom 500, and for this chart, I'm using a time frame of 5 minutes. 5 minutes time frame. Now, how does this works? You look at this, and what I'm saying, hold on, so that you see it more. Okay, let's just use that. Now you are seeing this from here, and the alligator shows that the lines are coming closer and about to touch. Then you go to 1 minute time frame. When you get to 1 minute time frame, you see this 1 minute time frame shows that it has touched here. So what you do is this: you use the 1 minute time frame as your entry point. You see that at this point it has not yet touched in the 5 minutes time frame. That's not, but it is heading to touch. So you use your 1 minute time frame, the 1 minute time frame, as your entry. Then at this point where it's touching and cutting, when the green moving average for this alligator is crossing this blue moving average, this blue line, The green line is cutting both the red and then the blue line. You enter. Now you realize some people will say, there's a spike here. Don't worry. You enter. Once you enter, you hold. And you set it automatically. And this is where the OTUZ strategy comes in. I have tested this strategy and I have conveniently taken 30 candles. Conveniently. It might spike up and down. Just don't worry. I've been able to take 30 candles using this strategy. And then you see it keeps going, it keeps going, it keeps going. And you know the beauty of this is that once the 30 is complete, you will be surprised that wow, so that's it. It doesn't matter the number of trades you open, you realize that it will be complete. And now listen. Now, one thing that will make you know that this strategy truly is really working is that once you see a crossover here, all of a sudden the market will go over here, will be down, will be below. This chart will be below this line. And then that's how you will know that truly this is a good entry point. And then you pick it. You can see that it tries to go up here, but look at the strength of the one above here. So small, it went back below. You just picked a very strong downward trend. Like I told you before, the tick for boom 500 and boom 1000 is sell. That's the tick for boom 1000 and boom 500. The tick for crash 1000 and crash 500 is buy. So that's the natural phenomenon, the natural nature of them, how they will want to move is to buy. So once you pick this, look at it. It keeps going down, and you realize that you have eaten, you have gotten a very good entry in the market, and you'll be surprised it will close and you'll be glad you did. Now let me show you. I tested it on it. I used all the 4 boom 500, boom 1000, crash 500 and crash 1000, and see the result. I placed a trade on crash 500, tested it multiple times. It gave a result. I tested crash 1000 multiple times. It gave result. Can you see that there are no losses? I tested it using boom 1000, gave result. I tested it using boom 500, gave the same result. Just pick 30 pips and leave the market. 30 pips and leave the market. 30 pips and leave the market. This is the OTUZ strategy. If you really want to grow, and then you don't really want to worry yourself on the whole up and down fluctuation for the 1 minute time frame, you use this strategy. Please use it with very good money management and risk management. Don't be greedy. Get the best from this, and it's best that you accumulate your money so that you are able to share your testimonies and say, okay, this is what happened. Don't be greedy. If you're not greedy, you get the result from this. Now let me share the settings with you, but take note, at the end of this video I am going to share a even bigger secret of this strategy. This strategy has a bigger secret, and I'm going to share it with you at the end of this video after I show you the settings. Now, what is the settings for this? What is the settings for this? Like I told you, please take note. Now, for the main chart, go to the F, and then for the main chart, we have 2 indicators there. The first one is the Bollinger Band. So you look at the Bollinger Band, you realize, see the settings I have for the Bollinger Band. You can see the settings, period 80, and then deviation 2.0, shift 0, apply to close, style 3 pixel, and I use the color black, and like that's done. And then for the alligator, I used I think this should be a default setting. Jaw period 13, jaw shift 8, teeth period 8, teeth shift 5, lips period 5, lips shift 3, method smoothed. Please note, smoothed. Apply to medium price, HL divided by 2, and then for the jaw style 3 pixel, I use that as a color blue. Teeth style 3 pixel color red, lip style 3 pixel color green. And take note, the lip style is the green which must cross the jaw style and the teeth style, which are the blue and the red. It must cross them before you enter in 1 minute time frame. Now, what else is there? Just ignore some of these. I have MACD. MACD is there, the basic MACD. Fast EMA 12, slow EMA 26, MACD SMA 9, apply to close. Main is 1 pixel, and I use the background color because I don't really need that main. I put a background color, and then the signal 3 pixel red, I need that. And then you see the levels, there's no levels, then you go. Then for effective levels, I put in the RSI, and I added the RSI period 1, apply to close. I use the style 1 pixel and the background color because I don't need the RSI, I don't need it. Then the levels, I use 80 and 20, 4 pixel, and I use color black. Use any color you're comfortable with. And after that, we have the last indicator window, which is the relative strength index. You can see now, add the relative strength index, period 1, apply to close, style 1 pixel, background color. Now, these levels, you can just add all this: 30, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 25, 20, 15, 10, if you want, or you just add 90, 10, 80, 20. Depending on what you feel comfortable with when you are using the strategy. Then after that, you click here, you click this indicator window to add the awesome oscillator. Add the awesome oscillator. This is a default setting, lit with 4 pixel, value up green, value down red, and then you click done. You are done with these settings. Now, having done this, as a recap, I told you on 5 minutes time frame, you can see 3 things you have to look out for. That the alligator are coming closer. Number 2, the MACD is above, has shown a sign of going above 80. And then the awesome oscillator is reaching towards 90 level. And with this, you now leave the 1 minute time frame and the 5 minutes time frame, and then go to 1 minute time frame to pick your entry. Look at this green line. We picked our entry from there, and then we entered, and from there we kept going, and we set automatically to close on 30 pips. 30 pips. This is the OTUZ strategy. I've seen it conveniently, though there's possibility of closing on more candle, more pips. It can even go as far as 50 to 100, but I say for convenience and for safety. I've shown you how I've tried it on all the 4 boom and crash, boom 500, boom 1000, crash 500, crash 1000. I've tried it on it, and I've shown you the result. These are the results like I showed you before. Here they are. You can see all 30 pips, crash 500, 30 pips, 30 pips, 30 pips, 30 pips. Then crash 1000, you can see 30 pips, boom 1000, 30 pips, 30 pips, and then boom 500, 30 pips, and they all close. You can see all blue. no loss. If you really follow instruction, you will get the result. So guys, go and try this, and if you really don't understand, please watch this video, don't skip, watch it, and please don't go and blow your account because you missed out on an information. Watch it very well and learn very well so that you can then know how to go and apply it. Now back to the secret I told you I was going to share with you. I want to show you something now very quickly. Look at this. I'm going to move from 1 minute to 5 minutes. Can you see what's happening here? Now I'm going to move from here to 15 minutes, and you see a magic. You see 15 minutes that the settings is just forming on 15 minutes. Imagine what will happen if you go into the market now. This setting is just forming on 15 minutes. So you can now go and say, I'm going back to 5 minutes to take my entry. In 5 minutes, it has crossed. So in 5 minutes, since it has crossed, you take your entry and you keep riding. This is going to be a long one, because as it's going now, it's going to go down. In 15 minutes, it's going to go down. So for those who want to ride this market, you can ride it and take as much as 50 pips, 100 pips, and then you will get the benefit, because from this indication you have just picked a strong downward trend. It's going to go down, and you can see that it's recovering. It's going to go down. So for 15 minutes, however, please use effective money management, use effective risk management. If you have a small account, just take a little risk. Don't use good management and just stick with what I've told you, and try to grow. As you grow, then you can take larger risks. Okay, but if you have a very good strong account, just write it in. You have seen the 3 confirmations. It has formed, and because it has formed, it's a great one. So I appreciate you guys for listening. Thank you for always showing love and support towards the channel, and I am very grateful for the encouragement. I'm very encouraged to do more is coming. This is the OTUZ strategy. Please practice it, and then after you have gained a very good hold of it, then you can now apply it to your account. Once again, you can see the result. It works. This strategy works. It works, and it is very beautiful. You can see that this is a strong one that is forming. If you are there, if you want to pick the strategy, you can pick it and then run with it. You will not regret it. But please follow every instruction. If you miss out on any instruction, watch the video again and get all the benefits you need to get. Okay. All right, guys, thank you so much. This will be the end of the strategy, and I hope you guys have really gotten value from here. As much as possible, I will the quality of this video. Please let me know what you feel about the quality in the comment section. If you like this video, please like it. Put in the thumbs up. Like. If you are new, please subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Even if you are old, please turn on the notification bell so that you can get notification when I supply a new strategy, because this strategy is very hot now. If you can use it, you will get really strong benefits. And also, if you think you want to ask any question, ask the question in the comment section. I will reply you as fast as I can. You can see as many people has been asking questions, I've been replying them as fast as I can. For as many as really want to have my personal details, please bear with me. For now, I can't attend to you for now, but very soon, hopefully, I will be able to create time for that. I can't manage that with what I'm doing for now. And as much as possible, please take time to practice this. Don't be in a hurry. Don't be in a hurry. Practice this properly. Comment and let me know what your feedback, and I'll be there to respond to you. Thank you very much, guys. All right, take care. Bye.